Welcome to Profitable DIY Ideas, where creativity turns into income and simple skills can build a real business. If you're interested in side hustle ideas and making money from handmade product, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new idea. Today, we're diving into side hustle ideas focused on handmade business, exploring crafts you can make and sell, beginner woodworking, and fast-selling products that can help you start earning from home, because your skills can become your income. Let's begin with the idea of a handmade business. You don't need a big investment to get started. With basic tools and simple materials, you can create products that people actually want to buy. The key is to focus on items that are useful, attractive, and easy to produce. Now let's talk about crafts to make and sell. Some of the best-selling handmade products are also the simplest: wooden shelves, small decor pieces, organizers, key holders, and trays. These items are practical, and that's exactly why they sell fast. If you're just starting, beginner woodworking is a great place to begin. You can start with basic cuts, simple designs, and small projects. As your skills improve, you can move on to more detailed and higher value products. Woodworking skills are highly valuable because wood products are always in demand. People love natural materials, especially when they are crafted into clean, modern designs. Even a simple wooden item can look premium when finished properly. Now let's focus on profitable crafts. The goal is to create products that are quick to make but still look high quality. This allows you to produce more items in less time, increasing your potential earnings. Think about fast-selling products, items that people use daily or gift to others, home decor or storage solutions, and small furniture pieces are always strong options. The more practical your product is, the easier it is to sell. Turning this into a DIY business is all about consistency. Start with a few designs, create them well, and present them clearly. Take good photos. Keep your designs simple and focus on quality. As you grow, you can expand your product line and improve your process. Over time, this small side hustle can turn into a reliable source of income. Also, don't forget the importance of organization. A clean, well-arranged workspace helps you work faster and stay focused. Keep your tools organized and your materials ready so you can produce efficiently. At the end of the day, building a handmade business is not about doing everything at once. It's about starting small and staying consistent. Thank you for spending time with me here on Profitable DIY Ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss more ideas that can turn into real income. And before you go, make sure to watch the next video on your screen. Your next profitable side hustle idea might be waiting for you right there.